Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel as a graphics and multimedia. My name is Rafiu Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to buy on 1688 and how you can buy on Taobao without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you too can buy without using any agent on 1688 and Taobao. If you would like to connect with me for business related on importation from China and some other country, you can connect with me via the number on the screen right here. You can connect with me on WhatsApp, or you click here to connect with me on WhatsApp, or you click here to connect with me on Facebook or on my Instagram. Okay, if you would like to join my paid training, you can as well connect with me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. So without wasting much of our time guys, so let's see how you can buy from 1688 without using agent and how you can buy on Taobao without using agent. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step in this video and see how you can get it done. So let's get started. So all right guys, so we are going to start the class with how you can buy on 1688 without using agent. That is, you have to negotiate with the shipping with the supplier, and you pay straight without using any intermediary. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So right here, I want to buy this slippers right here. Okay, so I have chat with the supplier. For you to talk to the supplier, all you have to do is to click on the blue icon right here to talk with the supplier. So for you to buy from this particular supplier, all you have to do is to click on here. Okay, all right, so at this point here, I need size 38 to 39. I need 4 for each color, 1 for each color. So I need 1 for here. Then I'll click on another style. I need 1. Then I'll come here again, another style. I need 1. Then I'll come here again, another style. I need 1. Okay, so finally, for me to pay to this supplier, you have to click on here. All right guys, so this is just everything that we are buying. Okay, we are buying 4 pieces at the price of 35.20 RMB. So for me to pay this supplier, I have to click on here now. So immediately you click on pay now, then it load up. So you can see the amount I'm paying this supplier, the sum of 35.20 RMB to buy the 4 pieces of that shoe, of that slippers rather. So finally, you make sure that your Alipay is active. Make sure you select on Alipay. Come down here and click on this place here to make payment. So I'm going to pay this supplier right away. So Alipay is going to connect. Okay, so right here I'm using my Taobao to pay the supplier. So not this account. So I'm using this account to pay the supplier. Okay, so at this point here, I need to click on here to pay. Then I have to enter my payment password. Boom. So it's as simple as that. So you can see I just pay successfully to this particular supplier for the 4 pieces of slippers of different style. So for you to be sure that your payment was done successfully, you can easily click on go back and check your profile right here. You access your profile from this point here. So you can click on your profile. Then by the time you refresh, so you are going to see the order is going to be moving right here. So if I click on here right now, you're going to see the order that we just made payment for without using agent. Okay, so guys, you can see the one we just paid for successfully. You can see it right here, different style, different color of the same style. So this is how you buy from 1688 successful without using any agent. Now let's take a look and see how you can buy from Taobao without using agent. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, so this is my Taobao app. I'm going to click on it right away. All right, guys, so this is my Taobao app right here. So you can easily scroll down and see different types of products you can buy. One thing about Taobao app is that it is not a must for you guys to have Alipay before you can buy on Taobao. So you can use your MasterCard, or you can see it at the top right here. You can use your Visa card or MasterCard or American Express or Union Pay to pay any supplier on this app. So let's, for instance, I want to buy this particular shoe right here. All you have to do is to make sure you click on the product link. Okay, so when you click on the product link, it opens up in another interface. Okay, so next thing you have to do is to click on here to pay for this product. All right, guys, so right here, this is where you set your color, sizes, and all that. So I need this color right here. So I need this color. So I have to select on that. Then the size should be 43. So having select on that, then you have to come here. How many quantity? I need just one. So one thing about Taobao here is that Taobao allow you guys to buy just a single item. So I need that blue. Then finally, you click on here to pay this supplier. I'm paying this supplier with my Alipay. So for you to use Alipay to make payment, all you have to do is to click on here. Whether you are using your Alipay or you are using your MasterCard or Visa card, all you have to do is to make sure you click on here. So I'm going to click on that. So at this point here, I need to select my Alipay. I have to click on here to click on to accept the Alipay as a means of payment. So it's going to load up and connect my Alipay. So right here, you can see I'm paying with my Alipay. So you have to come down below here and click on here and enter your payment password, and you will be debited from your Alipay, whether your Alipay balance or your Alipay toll pass. Then your payment is going to be successful on Taobao. This is how you can buy without using agent on 1688 and Taobao step-by-step tutorial. If this is what you're interested to learn more from me, you can decide to join my paid training. All you have to do is to connect with me via the phone number on the screen of this video if you are interested to join my paid training. And also, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or on pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can as well connect with me on WhatsApp via the same phone number on the screen for any importation from China business related issue. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.